Are you a KW agent on a team? Well, if you are, listen up because we've got a huge new agent site update for you. So let's go. Hey everybody, it's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and yes, we have an exciting new update with agent sites. Team sites have now launched in KW Command. So I can't wait to show you how to do this. Now, I don't have a team in Command, so I'm going to show you on answers.kw.com. You can go to answers.kw.com and search team sites, and this help article will come up for you as well. So one thing before we get started, I want you to know is that in order to launch your team site, you have to complete and save your KW team marketing profile. And only members with enhanced or unlimited permissions are able to edit this team marketing profile. And you have to have enhanced or unlimited permissions to manage the content on the team site. So let's go ahead and get started. So to do that, you're going to go in, and I would suggest the rainmaker of the team do this to begin with. Click your name in the top right corner, ensure that your team is connected or selected, not your personal account. Make sure you're clicking on your team. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu, just right here. And then you're going to click on Connect Settings and then Marketing Profile, just like you would in your personal account, but you are in your team account. Make sure it says your team up here in the upper right corner, your name and then your team, not your personal account. Okay? Then you'll need to create a subdomain. You can transfer one, so if you're already using your teamname.kw.com, you can still use that. You would just have to transfer it. If you're going to create a new one, then you'll click on Update Subdomain here. You'll make sure you're on that. You'll enter your subdomain, and then you'll make sure you check off the checkbox and click Claim Team Subdomain. Now, if you already are using a subdomain that's for your team, you'll want to transfer that subdomain. And from there, you'll just click on the Transfer Subdomain, type in the website or the of your team website, click Start Subdomain Transfer. Okay, then you're going to click Transfer and Claim when it comes up, and then you'll be able to access your KW team site. So from that Manage My Team Site section of the team marketing profile, you'll click Edit My Team Site. That's going to take you into the website builder, just like from the consumer section of Command, and everything from there will be the same. So you can make sure that you click on not your name, but your team name there. Okay? And you'll be able to put blog posts, custom pages, landing pages, anything that you can put on your agent site, you can do on your team site. Now, the first thing you may want to do is edit your Meet the Team page for your KW team site. This is only for teams. This is not for agents, single, standalone agents. This is for team sites. You'll go to Command just like you normally would. You're going to click on your consumer icon, and then you're going to click on Edit My Website. You're going to click on your name in the top and switch into your team site, and then you're going to click on Edit Meet the Team page here, right? You can change everything, your company profile in there. You can upload images. You can upload your logo to show up in there. And then your Meet the Team list. You can choose to display it or hide it. You can add a title, so you would say the B team or the whatever your team name is here. And then whatever description you want. This one says Meet Our Awesome Team. And then all of your team members will appear, but you can customize the list. You can make it dynamic, so it's going to have featured team members, and you can select any of the team members that you want to feature, and their marketing profile information will populate. So they do have to have their own marketing profile filled out. And then if you want to create an additional partner, you can add their custom contact information as well. So you would do that here by clicking Add, this little plus button, and you can put them one at a time here. The additional partners here, you would click this plus button and add your additional partners. Now, When you select the basic option, you'll be adding all team members using a custom option. So you'll have to create them one at a time, upload their information, and type in their phone numbers and email addresses, and also upload their images. You can also have a My Preferred Vendors section in this page as well. That is set up the same way that you would do that on your solo agent site. So you're going to click on the link under vendors to go and set up your Move Easy account, and then you'll just add vendors there and they will show up in your My Vendors section. Make sure when you're done with this section that you click Save so that it will publish to your page, and that's it. That's how you do your Meet the Team page. Now, the last thing you're going to want to do on your team site is to set up forced registration. To do that, you're going to click on your name in the upper right corner and toggle into your team account. Once you're in your team account, you're going to click on the settings button in that drop-down menu. Once you click there, you're going to click on Connect Settings on the left-hand side and click on Marketing Profile. From there, you're going to scroll down below the Market Center section and where it says Property Limits. From there, you can choose if you want unrestricted, 10 properties, 2 properties, or no property viewing. What this is going to do is it's going to make sure that whoever's visiting your website or your team site is either logged in or signed in after a certain amount of properties viewed. So choose your favorite, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. And that's it. That's how you get your team site up and running and ready to use. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next week.